In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Godaddy domain to Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are using the store where you want the domain to point, since domain settings are managed per store. Once you are in the admin, look to the lower left area for settings. Click Settings, then find and select Domains. This is the section where Shopify manages any domains you have purchased through Shopify, plus any domains you connect from other providers like Godaddy. On the Domains page, choose the option that says Connect Existing Domain. This tells Shopify you already own a domain elsewhere and you want to use it for your Shopify store. You will now see a field where you can type your domain name, enter the full domain you want to connect, such as your store, com, and then click Next. Take a moment to double-check spelling, since a small typo can prevent the connection from working. After you click Next, Shopify will guide you through the connection options. Select Connect automatically. This is the easiest method because Shopify will work with Godaddy to apply the correct DNS records for you without you manually editing anything. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you will sign in to your Godaddy account. Use the normal Godaddy login you already use. This sign-in allows Shopify to access your domain settings only for the purpose of connecting the domain. When you are prompted, click Connect to authorize Shopify to update your DNS settings. This step is important because Shopify needs to add or adjust records so your domain points to your Shopify storefront properly. Once you authorize the connection, the pop-up window should close automatically and return you to Shopify. Back in Shopify, click Verify Connection. Shopify will check that the DNS updates are in place and that your domain is now correctly connected. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet. If verification does not succeed immediately, wait a bit and try verifying again. And that is all there is to it.